everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to fix Delta Force when the current network prevents you from logging into the game. So once you have that error, you may seem that you don't know what to do. So what's the main cause of this error is maybe your internet is not strong. So go ahead and check your internet and make sure you are connected to a really strong internet connection. If you can also connect it in an Ethernet to make it more faster and easier. Next is go to your search and check on your firewall. Go to firewall and network protection right over here. Go to allow any app through firewall. In that, go and search for your Delta Force. If you have that, go and search your Delta Force. And after that, click on the both side, private and public ticks. After that, you close it and yeah, you're ready to go. Your error may not be visible after that. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much.